Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video for Python from beginners to advanced. This time we are late in adding the video. We are extremely sorry for that. Let's start with the new concepts today. In our today's video, we are going to see about the byte array data type. What is this byte array data type? This is exactly as same as the byte data type that we have seen previously, except here that the elements can be modified here. Okay, so we have an example here and it goes like, here you have an array that is x which has 10, 20, 30, 40, and here we have given b is equals to byte array of x. For I in b, print I. So here if you're going to use this for loop, you're going to print all the items that are present inside that particular array. And if you can see here, with the help of the index number, we have changed the value of that particular index. We have changed the value of that particular place. So here at the place 0 it is 10, and here at this place we have done a b of 0 is equals to 100, and then we have printed, whereas you can see that it has been changed. The first value is changed. Then the second example goes like 10, 256, b byte of x. So now let us check why we are going to get this kind of error here. So if you see this value error, byte must be in the range. Now if you know the range for byte is, the range for byte is from 0 to 255, whereas here you have given it as 256. So this is out of the range of byte. So whenever you are using this byte array, you need to see that the range that you are giving inside the array, that should be from 0 to 255. Let us see these examples in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, x is equals to, we are going to use the array here. Here we had 10, 20, 30, 40. Then next we had b is equals to byte array of x. Then you have for I in b, print I. Save this and let us run this function and check. Okay, we can see that there is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now let us change one letter here, that is b of 0, that is at the place of the 0th index we are going to reassign it as 100. Save it and let's print it again. Now you can see it is printing us as 100, 20, 30 and 40 because the 0th index has been changed from 10 to 100. And the next one, let us see the next example that we had an array of 10, 256, and then we had the same thing, that is we need to print it. B is equals to byte array of save. Now we can see that byte must be in the range of 0 to 256. So that is going to give us an error here. You can see that even if you are going to give the printing message, it is going to give you the same error, that is byte must be in the range 0, 256, right? Alright, so this is all about your byte array. Now let us see about the next content. This is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and keep learning in the next video.